Finishing my book was one thing, but publishing it was something else entirely. Here are a few things that experience taught me. Patience isn't optional. Writing and publishing a book is a large project. If you're writing one or if you've already published, pause for a second and acknowledge that. Writing a book is not a small thing. Publishing one isn't either. Yes, online it can feel like everyone is writing a book in this writing community, but that's a small corner of the internet. Step back and you realize how rare this actually is, and you should be very proud of yourself. The process requires patience, and there is no escaping that. There is no one size fits all manual for writing or publishing. You can watch videos, read craft books, and study marketing strategies, but nothing replaces going through it yourself. And everyone's experience will look different. Learning happens in the doing. Publishing changes you. Publishing a book changes how you see yourself. You prove to yourself that you can commit to something long term without anyone watching over you. That kind of autonomy builds confidence in a quiet way. Every stage of the process reveals something about you, how you handle uncertainty, discipline, doubt, and momentum. You do things that once felt intimidating, and once you've done them, they no longer feel impossible. The second time around, you don't panic, you trust yourself more. The shift stays with you. You never stop learning. Publishing one book doesn't mean you've arrived. The craft of storytelling keeps evolving. The publishing landscape keeps changing. There is always something new to learn. That doesn't mean chasing every trend. It means staying curious, reading craft books, paying attention to the industry, letting your understanding deepen over time. All art is subjective. No matter how much effort you put into your work, not everyone will connect with it. That doesn't invalidate the work. Art is subjective, and that doesn't disqualify you from sharing your voice. Doubt will always exist, but it doesn't get to make decisions for you. Mistakes are part of the job. You will make mistakes. Some of them will be public, and that's part of being a working creative. Mistakes don't end your career. Every mistake teaches you what to adjust, what to keep, and what to let go of. Growth happens because you move forward, not because you get everything right. Pivoting is a necessity. Publishing taught me that pivoting is normal. Adapting based on reality isn't inconsistency, it's strength. When something isn't working, you don't quit. You pause, assess, and recalibrate. This happens more than once, and it doesn't mean you're off track. I see pivoting as part of the author journey, not a detour from it. Publishing my first book taught me a lot, but it also forced me to change how I work as a writer. That shift is what led to how I'm writing book 2 differently now.